create your transaction in Excel. Many small business fail because they don't record the daily transaction. Today I will show you a simple Excel format every beginner can use. Open Excel and create this column. Illustration using Excel. So I'm going to explain each of these columns and how you can get your accurate balance using Excel. Just simple formula we can use as a bookkeeper. So the thing is that this date column or this dates themselves, the date represent or the date tell us when the transaction occur, which day, which month, which year. So this date we have 1st June 2026. This is the date that this transaction was occur. And why this details column or details will also represent or also tell us or explain what is the purpose of the transaction that occur. And the debit side, the debit row, the debit represent the money coming into the business account. And also we have the credit column or the credit cell. The credit represent the money leaving the business. That is, the credit represent the money leaving the business. And we also have our balance. What does this balance represent? The balance show us what remains into the business account. So I'm going to explain each of these cells one after the other. On 1st of June 2026, capital introduced. They introduced a capital of 100,000 naira into the business account. That means the debit, what I told about the debit is the money coming into the business account, while the credit is the money leaving the business account. So that day they introduced a capital of 100,000 naira. So our balance is going to be 100,000 naira. On 2nd of June 2026, we make a sales receive. We make a sales of 20,000 naira. So our balance, let us calculate our balance. We are going to press equals to our previous balance. This is our previous balance plus our debit. We click enter. It's going to give us 120,000 naira. This means our recent balance now is going to be 120,000 naira. So on 3rd of June 2026, they bought goods. The company bought goods. That means the money is leaving the company. They bought goods worth 30,000 naira. I always say the credit side represents the money leaving the business. So how can you know our balance? We are going to press equals to our previous balance minus our credit. You click enter. It's going to show us 90,000, and that is the remaining balance of our company's account now is 90,000 naira. On 4th June 2026, we paid a transportation. That is, we paid a transportation to go to somewhere or to go and purchase that goods. So how much do we pay? We pay 5,000 naira transportation. So how can we calculate this? We are going to calculate. We want to press on our balance column. We are going to click equals to 90,000, our previous balance minus our credit. That is the money we use to pay for the transportation. We click enter. That means our recent balance now is going to be 85,000 naira. That's what is going to leave in. This is what is going to left in the company account is 85,000 naira. That is our money that is remaining now in the company's account is what? 85,000 naira. Pause this video or save this video and practicalize it back again and comment done when you are through with it in Excel. And also, if you need this complete account Excel template, tell me in the comment section. Comment Excel template. I will send you the complete Excel template. Just comment Excel template and I will send you the complete template. Like this video, follow Excel with Marvelous and stay with me because we are covering our bookkeeping practical for 90 days, and this is only the last day of our day 3 of our bookkeeping practical. So tomorrow we are moving to the day 4